A concave lens has a focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also find the magnification produced by the lens. Here we are taking a concave lens, the concave lens, and keeping a object in the left hand side. This is the object, and I am taking two rays, one ray parallel to the principal axis and other ray passing through the pole. So as per theory we know any ray that is parallel to the principal axis, since it is a diverging lens, the light get diverged, and if you extrapolate it, automatically a image will be formed here. So in this problem, the concave lens has a focal length, that is the f value from the pole to the f, that is given to be 15 centimeter. So the focal length, that will be equal to 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object? So we have to find what the where the object was kept. Okay, that is what they are asking, and image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So from the pole, the image is formed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So image distance B, that will be equal to 10 centimeter. Now we try to apply the Cartesian sign convention for F and B. If you see, we always allow the light to pass from left to right, and now uh, we are measuring the distance from the pole to the F, that is to the left side. So if any distance measured to the left side of the pole, that will be taken as negative, and similarly the image is also located on the left side, so I am writing another minus here. Now we have to find what is the value of u. So to find this, we know the lens formula, 1 by f, that will be equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So now I want to calculate 1 by u, so I am taking the 1 by u to the other side and 1 by f to the right hand side. So I am having this will be equal to 1 by f. Now I am going to substitute the value for v and f. So substituting the value for v, that will be minus 10 minus 1 by the focal length is minus 15. So the equation turned to be minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. After this, we are going to simplify it. 1 by u, that will be equal to 150 as a common if we take, and this will be minus 15 plus 10, that is equal to minus 5 by 150, and if you cancel these two, it will be equal to minus 1 by 30. So 1 by u, it is equal to minus 1 by 30. So the value of u is minus 30 centimeter. So if you go back to the diagram, it is clearly mentioned. So this is what the object distance from the pole to the object. That distance what we are getting is 30 centimeter. So now we finished evaluating the value of the u. The final thing, we have to find the magnification that is produced. Since we know u and v value, we can calculate the magnification very easily. You know the formula. The magnification in the case of a concave lens, it will be equal to m is equal to v by u. The v value, it will be minus 10, and then u value, it's minus 30. So on cancelling these two, it will be equal to 1 by 3, that is equal to 0.33. So it will be a plus 0.33. So the plus, the symbol represents the image is a erect and virtual. So the image formed, you can see here, and here this is the object, and here the image is formed. Both are erect. So that's what we are getting here. But if you see, the object is bigger, the image is very small. So the image formed is a diminished image. The image formed is a diminished image. So now we try to analyze the size of the image that is formed. So we know the another formula, that is m is equal to h prime by h. M is the magnification, h prime is the height of the image, and h is the height of the object. So now I can rewrite this equation as h prime equal to m times h, and I know the value of m. Substituting the value of m from this equation, so I am getting 0.33 h. So 0.33 h, or it can be written as h by 3. So I am getting an equation h prime equal to h by 3. So the image height will be exactly one third of the object. So in the diagram, suppose this value, the object is going to have a height of h means, and the image is going to have a height of h by 3. Hence the problem was solved. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for important updates.